Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to discuss about the best websites in order to get your research paper. Okay, so when it comes to research paper, if you are doing any masters or PhD or if you are doing any kind of higher studies, so writing a research paper or publishing a research paper might be an optional, or it can be a part of your curriculum, or it can be a mandatory which is a part of your course or a curriculum. Okay, so for that perspective, writing a research paper or publishing a research paper is very important. Okay, suppose if you are writing any research paper, so it means like you're not writing the entire research paper on your own. Okay, so if you are writing any research paper, definitely you will be referring a tons of research paper. So based on those research paper and identifying the gaps in those research paper, you will be coming up with your own idea, or you will be coming with your own innovative method, or if you are using any new methodology which was not used previously. So based on your new idea or a new methodology, you will be writing the new research paper. Okay, so when you are writing your new research paper, like referring the old research paper or the research paper which has already been written or published, is very essential, and it's very important. Okay, so for that perspective, like I will just tell you like which are the best websites where you can get the research papers, and you can download those research paper and you can refer those research paper and you can write your new research paper. Okay, so the first website which I will tell you, which is the best website to get the tons of research paper, is ARXIV. So this is the best website, guys. It's basically a website from Cornell University. Okay, so this is the best website where you can get the research paper. Suppose if you are doing any research related to mathematics, computer science, quantitative biology, or quantitative finance, statistics, electrical engineering and systems science. Okay, or if you are doing any research related to machine learning or deep learning, so here you can get those kind of research papers. Suppose if you are doing any research based on machine learning, so let's type here machine learning, just search here. So here you can see a lot of research paper which is based on machine learning. Quantum persistent homology for time series, and a new BART prior for flexible modeling with categorical predictors. Here you can see different types of research paper, guys, and it's completely free. And if you want to see that particular research paper, means you can click on this PDF option. So once you click on that, automatically that PDF will be generated. Just open in a new tab. So what we have searched for machine learning. So here you can see more than 1 lakh of research paper. So all those research papers which is based on machine learning. Okay, so here you can see that particular research paper has been downloaded, and you can refer this particular research paper and you can write the new research paper. So I will just mention it as ARXIV. Okay, so this is one of the best website, guys, ARXIV. Okay, and the second website which is very popular in terms of research paper is Papers with Code. Suppose if you type papers with code in Google, Here you can see papers with code, the latest in machine learning. Once you click on that, here you can get all the research paper, and you can also get the code which is written for that particular research paper. And here you can browse the state of art. So here you can see different types of topics like computer vision, natural language processing, NLP, medical, miscellaneous, methodology, time series. Of course, time series, it has a lot of research paper. So if I just click on this, so here you can see the tons of research paper which is based on time series analysis or time series forecasting. Okay, so this is also one of the best website, guys, papers with code. So of course, if you are doing any research, or if you want to publish any paper for your masters or PhD, so you can refer papers with code. Okay, so the third website, which is also one of the popular website, if you are doing any kind of research means, so that is ResearchGate. So ResearchGate is also one of the popular website if you want to refer any previous research papers. Okay, so here you can just log in here. So once you log in here, you can see a lot of research papers. Okay, I have logged in here since I am also doing my research. So I'm referring this I'm also referring this website, guys, ResearchGate. So here you can get tons of research papers. Suppose if you type time series forecasting, and if you search, so here you will get the research papers which is based on time series forecasting. Okay, suppose if you want any particular topic also, that is also fine. Here you can search if you are doing any kind of prediction means, suppose let's imagine like stock prediction. Suppose if you want a research paper which is based on stock prediction, search here. So here you can see a research paper which is based on stock prediction. Okay, so third one of the best website for your research or a thesis is ResearchGate. Okay, so the fourth website, which is IEEE, which is also one of the popular website. Of course, for this IEEE you need to have a IEEE credentials, or you can also log in with your institutional credentials. Okay, I will just show you this particular website. Join, explore, just click on explore, and you will just click on institutional login. So here suppose if you are doing a master's from any particular university, or if you are doing PhD from any particular university, you will be getting a login credentials from that particular university, so that you can use that login credentials and you can just log in here. So I will just try to use my credentials, since I am doing my masters from Liverpool John Morris University, MS in data science. Yeah, here you can see this particular IEEE website. Suppose if you are doing any research based on machine learning, or let's take deep learning here, and deep learning, artificial intelligence, just press enter. Here you can see research papers based on deep learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, so IEEE is also one of the best website where you can get the research paper. Okay, so the fifth website, which is Semantic Scholar. Okay, so now let's try Semantic Scholar here. This is one of the most popular website, guys, Semantic Scholar, because here you can see more than millions of research papers. Okay, suppose let's try to see any research paper which is based on breast cancer prediction. Just search here. So here you can see more than 7 lakhs of results which is based on breast cancer prediction. Okay, so here you can see lot of research paper and lot of conference papers which is based on breast cancer prediction. Okay, so ARXIV, papers with code, ResearchGate, IEEE, Semantic Scholar. Okay, so these are all one of the best websites where you can get the research paper, previous research paper. And if you know any other websites which is also popular, if you feel that that's a very popular website or it's a very useful website, you can just mention it in the comments so that it will be helpful for others and I will also get to know those websites. Okay, so these are all the best website for this research paper. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.